Good morning, students. Today we will start the revision for periodic 1. So we will start revising from lesson 1. The name of the lesson is crop production and management. So first today we will revise the topic crops and types of crops based on the types of seasons. So today's topic is crops and types of crops depending upon the types of seasons. At the last, we will solve a worksheet based on the topic crops and types of crops. We will do the worksheet in the last. The animals, including humans, cannot make their own food. So, animals have to depend on other plants and animals for their food. And this is known as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Since we all need food, how can we provide food to a large number of people in our country? The answer is food has to be produced on a large scale. In order to provide food for a large population, regular production, proper management and distribution is necessary. Now children, we come to our next topic, crop. Till 10,000 BC, people were nomadic. They were wandering in groups from place to place in search of food and shelter. They ate fruits and vegetables and started hunting animals for food. Later, they could cultivate land and produce rice, wheat and other food crops. Thus was born agriculture. Now, what is crop? When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. For example, crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in the field are that of wheat. You already know that crops are of different types like cereals, vegetables, fruits. India is a vast country. The climatic conditions like temperature, humidity, and rainfall vary from one region to another. Accordingly, there is a rich variety of crops grown in different parts of the country. Now, children, move on to our next topic, that is classification of crops. Despite the diversity in India, two broad cropping patterns can be identified. One is Kharif crops, Rabi crops. Second is the Rabi crops. On the basis of the season in which they grow, the crops can be classified into two types, Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Children, now come to our next topic, that is Kharif crops. The crops which are sown in the rainy season are called Kharif crops. The rainy season in India is generally from June to September. For example, paddy, maize, soya bean, groundnut and cotton are Kharif crops. Now children, we will see what are Rabi crops. The crops which are grown in the winter season is from October to March, are called Rabi crops. For example, wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Beside these, there are some vegetables and pulses which are grown during summer at many places. So children, we will do a revision worksheet based on the topic crops and types of crops. First is define, crop and reduce. These questions are given in your book. You have to do these. You have to solve this revision worksheet and then you have to send it in the WhatsApp group. Question number 2 is classify crops on the basis of the season in which they grow. It is Rabi and Kharif crops. Give two examples of each Rabi and Kharif crops. You can simply name two Rabi and Kharif crops. Number 4, differentiate between Rabi and Kharif crops. Number 5, potato is a Kharif crop. It is a true or false statement. You have to tell this statement is true or false. Which of the following is not a Kharif crop? There are 4 options: paddy, groundnut, cotton, wheat. You have to take the correct option, which is not a Kharif crop. Okay, thank you, children.